So in this class, let's talk about creating our first Selenium script. So we have already created a project called Selenium project, inside which we have a SRC folder, right? And we also added the Selenium jars to our project. Okay, so let's see. Let's create a class first. So select the SRC. So before you create a class, I recommend you to create a package com.selenium apm dot and examples. Okay, I have created a package com.selenium apm. That's my official website, and dot examples. Now in the package, select a new class, create a new class, and Selenium first script. The class name can be anything. So I just mentioned as Selenium first script, as it is our first script. So create a main method. Okay. So what I'm going to do in this first script is I'm going to open the browser. You can choose what browser you want it to open. Okay, so I'm going to choose Chrome. You can choose Firefox to open, or Safari to open, Internet Explorer to open. Okay, so in this class I'm going to open the browser, and that is Chrome. So what you need to do is you need to write a smaller logic here. Chrome driver. You need to create an object for the Chrome driver. Chrome driver equal to new Chrome driver. And yeah, so if at all you wanted to open any website, driver dot use this object driver dot, there is a method called get, okay, where you can pass the URL. So let's say I want to open seleniumapm.com. Copy that URL. Okay, so let's run this code and see what happens. So you can see there is an error, right? It is telling that exception in thread mine, and the exception name is java.lang.illegal state exception. The path to the driver, the reason also it is mentioned, the path to the driver executable must be set by webdriver.chrome.driver. Okay, so this is not enough. You need to set one more step. You need to add one more step. Okay, so that is what this error is suggesting us. Okay, what you need to do is you need to set a system property, system dot set property, and it has the error message has given complete information. Most of the time people look here and there and approaches different other people to find the solution, but remember, most of the times the problem will be the problem reason and the problem solution is available in the error message itself. Okay, let's go through the error message clearly and try to understand what is trying to help us. Okay, it says that set the system property, and the property name is webdriver.chrome.driver. I said that property name. Okay, and we also need a value. What is that value? We'll see that. For more information, it has given a link. Okay, the latest version can be downloaded from. Okay, it has given a link. What we need to do is we need to tell the Selenium that the path of the webdriver dot chrome dot driver. So in simple, where is the Chrome driver available? Okay, so we need to set that. So it has told that you can able to download from this URL, right? I copied that URL and pasted on the browser. So don't wonder how I got this URL. This URL, I got it from the Eclipse console, and at the end of the error message, you can see the latest version can be downloaded from. So what is the latest version? So 2.40414243. Okay, so this is the latest version. 2.43 is the latest version. So it depends on which operating system you are using. You need to choose the right one. And if somebody using Windows, they have only one option. They have to download this and extract it. And I'm using Mac, so I need to download this one, Chrome driver underscore Mac 64. Okay, so this is what I have downloaded. So let's copy and paste it to a different folder. And don't keep it in the downloads, as I told. If you keep it in the downloads, you could possibly remove that in future unknowingly. So what is the version name? 2.43. Okay, so Chrome, create a folder with the version 243 and copy that zip file to there and extract it. Okay, and take the path of it. You can keep the downloaded zip file anywhere. Okay, all I need is, or all you wanted to know is, the path of the Chrome driver. Okay, you need to give the complete path of the Chrome driver. So I see some people give only up to here, and they forgot to give the Chrome driver. They forgot to give the Chrome driver and says, I'm unable to execute my program. So that's not correct. You need to give the complete path of the Chrome driver up to here. In case of any Windows users, you must have to give .exe. If it is Mac or Linux, you don't need to give .exe. Okay. Now let's run the program and see it. So this statement is mandatory. Okay, if by chance if you don't give this statement, you get to see this error. Okay, so don't bother about this error. This error is to help you how to proceed further. Okay, it tells you that the path to the driver executable, the path of the driver must be set. That is what it is telling. And whose key is this one? And the key is webdriver.chrome.driver, and the value is the path of the Chrome driver. This is the value. So in simple, you need to set this statement. And this statement will be vary for Firefox driver and IE driver, and for different other drivers. Okay, so if you are launching a Firefox browser, the statement will be vary. So in that case, you need to run the code and see what property it is asking about, and where we can download the corresponding driver. I'm going to run this program once again. So you need to see that the Chrome browser is launched, and it should open the URL. You can see that it is launched, seleniumapm.com. So that's all about our Selenium first script. So in the later classes, I'll also show you how to work with Firefox browser and other browsers. For now, so let's work on Chrome browser with our website, which we are going to practice.